We've got all of the members here. We're just waiting for a few more. Let's go. It's a really good location. We've got a few food places here as well, but here's the main place to go and get your food and your board games. Like I said, guys, this is going to be an in-depth review. The owner has asked me to give a truthful review, so that's exactly what we're going to do, and we're going to get a rating at the end of it with all of the lads. There you go, the first look inside. This is looking nice. You've got our first entrance, got a boxing machine for all of you boxers out here. Wa alaikum salam. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum. The place is looking beautiful, mashallah.
Built from scratch.
Yeah?
Built, not bought, this place.
Mashallah, mashallah. When did you open?
We opened on the end of August. So 22nd of August was official opening for the women.
Okay.
And then we did 24th of August for the men.
So you're doing food and everything here as well, yeah?
So we got chicken burgers, samosa chaats, matka fludas. So matka fludas are very famous for us.
Wicked.
Samosa chaats is one of our delicacies as well. And then you've got chicken burgers and stuff like that. We didn't originally have them,
yeah,
but people started to come in and say, we want some food and stuff like that.
Okay.
The concept is for people to eat out,
yeah,
enjoy themselves eating in other places, because obviously we've got 450 restaurants in Blackburn on its own, yeah? Eat out, and then this was the after party. Come here, chill, relax, wind down, get ready to go home, type of thing. But then people started
saying, for the food, so you might as well start doing food, innit?
So we started doing food.
Alhamdulillah, no, this is really good. I'm really liking it. Inshallah, we'll get onto way with the review. You've asked for an honest review, so inshallah 100%. All of the boys are going to give an honest review on it.
We're going to try and do our best to impress you as well. Wicked. At the same time.
Mashallah, mashallah. Right, lads, so let's go through the section. What you've got a whole bunch of sweets. You've got all of your chocolates, crisps, all of that. Yes. I don't know, you want to see the games. We've got a carom board for all of us Daisies around here. You telling me that you don't know about the carom board? Come on. Like I said, you've got a boxing machine here as well for all of the boxers. Let's see what the high score is.
That's right.
I think I can beat that. You've got a Ludo section here. Got another Ludo section here. Another carom board section. So the beauty of it is, if that's taken, you could just go and play here. You've got another Ludo section. Wicked. Ooh, you've got Monopoly, mate. This is going to be causing this board, this booth, and this booth. They're your beefing booths. That's what we're going to call it. I'm going to ask him to put a sign up there saying beefing booth, because when you play Monopoly, you start beefing anyone and everyone in your way. Oh, this is King Ludo. Yes. Then you've got a chess one for all of us chess masters. Let's get a bit of a first initial thought from all of the lads.
Looks quite good. Different tables, different board games.
We'll see how it goes, innit?
Yeah.
Very nice place. Nice, a lot of variety. Ludo, carom board, Monopoly, chess. We haven't played chess.
We haven't played chess in a while, yeah.
Smash it up. Does look nice. He's the main critic here.
No, I'm joking. No, it's quite good actually.
Yeah.
Like T said, we've got a bit of everything.
Yeah.
All the games they play with their family.
It's good, you got your own
You can play
booths
with
as well.
mates as well. It's so good.
They've got a big projector here as well. A big projector, so let's see game nights. You can watch a game here as well. We're going to be trying out a selection of foods in this place as well, letting you know what foods are good, because they've started doing food as well. As you heard the owner say that the food, they didn't start off doing food, but a lot of people are saying put some food in, so they actually went and got themselves a license to serve some hot food. That's a big thing to do. I rate it.
You could have about 3 out, 4 out, whatever group size.
You've got a selection of games to pick from here as well. Sea Battle, Life, Monopoly, Scrabble, Uno as well. T, you're on video.
That's a good point.
Do you think he's going to beat the high score?
Nah.
I forgot to mention he got 800 on his first one. Oh, we got the other lads.
I've got my new friend as well.
So there you go. You get handed all the bits that you need. Boys are getting ready to play some carom board. We've got a few freshies in the club, eh?
It's a bit like snooker, but along the lines.
There we go, get some Kurrak tea on the pot. Nice. If you know, you know. Fully equipped. This is what we're doing. Jenga. What's your initial thoughts of the place?
Really good. Yeah, really good. Enjoy it. And yeah, really good. I don't know what more to say.
So, turns out we sat on a bit of a wobbly table. Not ideal for Jenga, but you know what? Adapt, overcome, improvise. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. Chalo, I'll go first. I can take the top one, innit?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
No, you can't take top.
Take the top.
There you go, innit? Don't fuck about. One for me. You swear, he's played this with his kids before. You played this with your kids. You knew. You knew.
As you know what, I did get a Jenga the other day actually.
I've got Jenga at home as well, but I
I didn't even get to my second Jenga.
Hey, this Jenga game is deadly. Check this out. We've got 2 on its own.
Oh, he's going.
Listen, this is how you pack a Jenga, bit by bit. None of this. Trust me, we're engineers. And then now how do you flip it? Oi, look at that! Let's see how these freshies are doing on the carom board. Is he winning? Shahrukh? Shahrukh's winning. This is...
You flew! Oh, come on!
So, I think we're like kids in a sweet shop when it comes to games. So we've literally just jumped ship from Jenga onto Ludo now. Just in time, mashallah. The order is here, mashallah. So you've got the Kurrak chais. This looks like
Chicken samosa chaat.
chicken samosa chaat.
These are 6 teas.
Right guys, we're gonna bit by bit test it out. So here we've got chicken samosa chaat. I like that. That is quite nice. Go for it. Here we've got, what's this?
Chicken loaded wedges or something like that.
Here we've got chicken loaded wedges. Oh, it's breadcrumb fried chicken.
Oh, no way.
He goes, I don't want a big chip, gets the biggest one out. It's very nice. To say that they don't specialize in food.
Yeah, quite
Their
nice,
food has
actually.
turned out quite good. Now it's time to try
What is it, Gokche?
Kurrak chai. Well, to be fair, I did see some people randomly just walking in, making an order and then walking out. So this might be your local Kurrak chai spot as well. If you don't want to pop in for some games and you just want to grab some quick Kurrak chai, this might be the place. But let me test it for you first.
Cold in it.
Well, for bad.
This Kurrak chai, you can tell, has been made fresh with milk and no powder like you get from all of these other Kurrak chai places. And you saw him on the pot making it. I think this needs to be your local Kurrak chai spot, you know. Yes. Right, so we got a dessert here that I've never seen before.
This is your mudka faluda. So it consists of 3 different flavored scoops of ice cream. So you got vanilla scoop, you got kulfi, and then you got pistachio, and then you've got the semia on top with basil seeds, and then you've drizzled with jelly, strawberry jelly, and then roux afza with sprinkled with the pistachio on top.
I thought I smelled some roux afza there.
Yeah, there's roux afza in there, definitely. But once you try it, let me know what you think, because some people, what they do is they'll try it as a triple 3 flavor, and then when they come back the next time, they'll either go in all kulfi, all pistachio, or all vanilla. Some people like the 3, some people like one of them, and then like yesterday we had a guy, all 3 kulfi, bro. Kulfi. I don't like the pistachio.
Always kulfi, man.
You never know, don't like the pistachio till you tried it. I'll be honest with you. It's different. It's different.
Right, we'll dig into it. Jazakallah. We're about to try this jelly roux afza.
Okay, let's do them all as we got some chips with everyone. Let's fucking do them all as we.
Full of everything, but let's try it anyway. Cold. I like that. That is different, you know. I've never had it before. This is the first time I'm having it, but it's like it's like a faluda in a bowl. It literally is like a faluda in a bowl.
Really, faluda, you drink it.
You got ramen noodles inside of it.
I urge you guys to get some of this. Banging. Right, we've started on Ludo. He wants the chicken and chips back. We started on Ludo. We'll let you know how this game goes.
So lucky, bro.
Why?
You are so lucky, bro.
Wait.
This is, no, yeah.
Oh, we got a latecomer, the new guy. Shit back comes in, messes the whole game up.
Go on. Yes, me. Go on, take this guy up.
Yeah, I guess so. You got both of these bases.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2.
No. Oh, why you change your foot? No, you have to do it again. Do it again. No, just do it again, man.
You need to get you home. Do you need to get you close to home?
You're in safe spot.
Do you need to get you close to home?
You're already in the safe spot.
Yes.
Wow.
This is, do you know why? Because that's his brother. That's his brother. It's brotherly.
Brotherly love.
Nah, that's
Brotherly love.
Hey, listen, we've got teams now. Zubair, we got teams. Teams, yeah? Teams.
Fuck out of here.
Scottish guy or whatever he is.
Fuck this off. Oh, I'm sniffing your ass this whole time.
Quick intermission, yeah? How's your burger?
Really nice. Really nice.
Anything
Quite flavourful. And soft nice chicken as well. Yeah, soft buns on top. Really good. I love it.
Yeah, it's a really nice burger. Very nice.
Very good, very nice.
I've not managed to try it yet, but it's looking quite, it's looking quite juicy. The flavour is. I'm about to find out. Wait, let me take a bite. Mashallah, very nice.
Mashallah. There you go, you heard it here.
How's your burgers?
Yo. Oh, Baijan, how's your burgers?
Amazing.
Now it's our turn to play a bit of a carom board. Oh, I can't lie, this place is a vibe, you know, especially now. Here what they've done, the owner said that he's going to lock off the place for us, so we've got the whole place to ourselves for the review. But usually this place is packed, and when it is, you can tell it's just going to be a fat vibe in this. But yeah, let's get on carom board now. We're having a go at chess now, me versus Zubair. Let's see how this goes. Let's go. You know, with this place, you end up playing like an hour on one game. So you just want to make sure that you bring enough time with you so you can have a good time. But yeah, let's get on chess. White score first. So
What, you can move 2 spaces?
on the first jump of these, you're allowed to go 2 spaces.
Oh shit, that's it.
I can just go like that, innit?
No, you have to go here. Take that. Yeah. Then you've taken that. Yes, people, it's time for final verdicts before we head off. I'm going to ask the boys one by one what was the good points and what they can improve on.
The games were really good. Nice variety of different games, and the food was really good. The only thing downside I found was it's too cold in this place. That's it. That's the only thing. In the summer it'll be perfect, but obviously it's winter right now, so too cold. But other than that, recommended.
Oh, good, great time pass. I think I've not seen anything really, any negative points. It's been all right. We've got all the entertainment here. I don't know how long we've been here. Been here 4 hours. Literally can't tell. Time flies. Good place to visit. Good games, good food, and good hosts. Yeah, nice.
Got Crouchy. Hello, why have you been shy, man?
Hello, did they said it all now?
Yeah, so go on. So what can they improve on? What are the good points and what can they improve on?
Good points. Are you gone? Good points. Nice cozy place. Quite friendly. Food's nice. Yeah, it's a great time pass really.
Anything to improve on?
Just in winter it could get a bit cold, like today. But apart from that, it's quite it's quite nice.
What are the good points and what can you improve on?
I think the lads have mainly mentioned what the good points are. There's not much to really cover on that. They've got a variety of games. I think more different games need to be out on the table because I think they got it behind the counter, haven't they? Because there's about 3-4 the same games out. Something new or something to change. First time here, nothing in particular. No, we have had no problems. Not with food, not with drinks, not with heating. Well, we've got the heating because we were the only ones here at this time, innit? So now it's been distributed out.
It's good laugh, good open space, lots of different games about. And you know what? Food's here, drinks here. Can't really complain. Time just flies past here. Some good fun. Better heating. Gets a bit cold in here, but other than that, can't really say much at the moment.
Our chess masters here.
Yes. Just took his, is that Bishop, yeah? Whatever the fucking
the tower guy. He took the tower guy. Right. What are the good points of this place? What can they improve on?
Heating is something they can improve on. But besides that, I think it's a banging place for. We need more burger meat, basically. A thicker fillet. Good points, I'd say. It's a nice place for the lads to get together. Different game varieties. We got our Make in India carrot board. Besides that, I think they've done it right, man. I think it's a nice place for the lads to chill. Yeah, I'd definitely come back.
And our Grandmaster chess guy.
Good place. Nice. I like it. Good food. I'll move this to there. Good food. Good vibes. I think probably better music. Other than that, good. I like it. Really good. I'll probably come again.
There you go, guys. That was your in-depth review of the Board Game Café in Blackburn. My good points. I think everyone's covered all the good points. The games are bang on here. There's a lot of variety. I think the reason why they put out a lot of Ludo and Carrom board is those are the most popular games. But if you want extra games, all you got to do is just go up to the staff and just grab the game, which is quite good. It is a bit cold in here, but I'm wrapped up, so I'm alright. Yeah, I think it's a good vibe here. The food was really nice as well, and you can come and get your Karak chai from here as well. You don't even have to go into the place. The Karak chai is bang on. I'm not even joking. I have Karak chai a lot, and this was one of the best ones I've had. So yeah, food wise it's really good as well. That dessert was different but nice.
Right. Only one page you can do that with.
Can't go wrong, man. Hope you've enjoyed the review, and inshallah we'll see you on some more soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.